Did you know that the speed of a sneeze can reach up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah. When you feel that tickle in your nose, your body is gearing up for an explosive release. It's not just a random reflex, it's your body's way of clearing irritants. When you sneeze, tiny droplets are expelled into the air, and they can travel up to 30 feet. That's why it's so important to cover your mouth and nose. Those droplets can carry germs, spreading colds and flu faster than you can say bless you. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, it's not just a funny little moment, it's a powerful force of nature. And maybe, just maybe, it's a reminder to keep those tissues handy.